Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your supply chain with SAP step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current supply chain processes. Identify any vulnerabilities or risks that may impact your operations. Evaluate the existing software solutions you are using for supply chain management. Ensure that SAP solutions are appropriate for your specific needs. Conduct a comprehensive needs analysis to determine which SAP modules are necessary. Engage key stakeholders in your organization to gather insights and expectations. Plan the implementation process by defining clear goals and timelines. Allocate the necessary budget and resources for the SAP integration. Select a suitable SAP partner or consultant with relevant expertise. Begin with a pilot project to test SAP applications in a controlled environment. Gather feedback from users during the pilot phase to identify any issues. Make necessary adjustments based on the pilot results before full rollout. Train your staff on how to use the new SAP tools effectively. Promote awareness of the importance of data integrity within the supply chain. Set up monitoring systems to continuously evaluate supply chain performance. Utilize SAP's analytics functions for real-time data insights. Establish protocols for regular reviews and audits of the supply chain processes. Encourage collaboration among all supply chain partners through SAP's integration features. Adapt and refine your strategies based on performance data and trends. Stay informed about SAP updates and emerging technologies that may benefit your supply chain. Ensure ongoing support and training for employees to keep skills current. Create a culture of continuous improvement in your supply chain operations. Regularly revisit your supply chain strategy to ensure it aligns with organizational goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.